folks, this is Raul here, Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona. And today I want to make a quick video of our #1 best-selling floor plan in travel trailers, the 2022 Jayco Jay Flight 264 BH. What makes this one so special? It can sleep 9 people and weighs less than 5,000 pounds. But it's got a lot more cool stuff about it, so let me show you a quick walk around. New graphics for 2022, I actually think it looks pretty sporty. New for 2022, you can have side cameras as well, along with the backup camera, so no blind spots at all. It does have the big propane tanks, 30-pound propane tanks, and as you can see, you can have the bedroom TV outside. You can watch TV outside, and a big storage right underneath the bottom bunk, which can be accessed from inside as well. But let me show you inside too, okay? Here we are inside the 264 BHSW. Couple of nice things I want to point out about this. New for 2022, they have a solar package. That's the control panel up there, and it's got solar on the top. That maintains your battery. As you can see, this floor plan has a really good walk around around the main bed, walk around space. A couch that is right in front of the TV. Dinette for 4 people. Good counter space. The bunks are double bunks, each rated for 600 pounds. The sink is outside of the bathroom. Really spacious shower bathroom. And I also like to point out the farm white interior. This is the first time they've had the farm white interior. It's our very popular interior colors. Come by and check it out. New for 2022, the Jayco Jay Flight 264 BHSW.